Another day in the office, and Bert Rossica readies for his job as an investment banker. But you might not have bet on this.
Everyone thinks I'm nuts. If you hear me typing, you know I'm not working.
During his downtime, Bert steps back in time with this 1926 Underwood No. 5.
You type it, you hit a key, it's on the page. When you have an original, it's like an artist's painting. The original is truly an original.
Bert's passion began and it's not just a love for antique models.
Who would have thought that we would still be here in this day and age?
Swintech Corporation in Moonachie, New Jersey is one of the last U.S. suppliers of electronic typewriters. Business is steady, with a full-time worker who painstakingly repairs and modifies them.
It's not a phase. I think it's just part of the natural progression. We don't see an end to it.
Swintech's niche market is prisons. Their typewriter of choice is this. It's completely transparent, so prisoners can't hide any contraband.
The typewriter that they used to have were not clear, so they would have to disassemble the typewriter, take it all apart, search it for contraband, and put it back together.